Hello, I'm Sandy Strong with Implementation Specialists, and today I'm excited to show you our brand new Void Maintenance tool. Void Maintenance is similar to our Void Reopen tool, if you're familiar with that, except it's for maintenance invoices rather than service invoices. With the new Void Maintenance tool, you're now able to void a maintenance invoice that you've posted to the customer in receivables. This tool assists you in reversing the invoice in your signature service management system so you can regenerate the invoice with the corrections. Here I have this billing contract with an invoice I've already posted. If we go to billing, we can see there's this one on May 1st that's been posted for $142.50. And in the invoice history, we see the same thing right here at the top line, May 1st, $142.50, and it's number 65. And if we go to revenue cost, we can see that the total billed is $285. So now, if we go to the posted maintenance invoice, select customer 302, bring up that number 65, and click void. Because this record is a maintenance invoice, we have this void maintenance tool installed here. We now get this message, do you want to void in service management? If we select no, it works just like it does if we didn't have the tool installed. But if we select yes, which we're going to do, it works like normal, plus it also updates service maintenance. And for the sake of time, I'm not going to print any of these reports. Okay, so now let's go back to that billing contract and look at those windows again and see what's changed. So here for May 1st, we can see there's nothing posted now. And invoice history, there's not any document number 65. And revenue cost shows instead of 285 billed, now when this comes up here, we've only got 142.50 billed. So at this point, we're ready to change the invoice amount or the billing schedule or whatever we need to do because we're back to where we were before we posted the contract invoice in the first place. And that's how simple that is. So I hope you enjoyed learning about the Void Maintenance tool. If you'd like to learn more about it, here's how you can get in touch with us. Also, feel free to reach out if you'd like to see what other great tools we have available. Thank you so much for watching.